Hey Planner fam, it's Heather here with Best Laid Plans, and I have another video here for you today that is going to be an organize with me. And I actually had to move out of my craft room for this because it is going to be a big project. And you may have heard me mention, organize all of my filler paper on Happy Notes. So I have some that are like skinny, classic, skinny mini, and then I have some that are classic sized, and I want to try and get them all together and make the pages easier to turn because they come on, I'm just going to kind of zoom in so you can see, they always come on mini disc, and it just makes it really difficult because you can't turn the pages easily, and I try to keep them together between the covers and it's just not working. So I bought classic size disc in this 3-color pack for these, and then I'm going to take a cover off of one of the old skinny classics to use as another cover. So I have 6. And then I have 6 for my classic size for expander disc. And I'm going to be organizing them first by taking all the paper out, sorting it, deciding what I want to keep and what I want to destash. And then I will be able to organize the rest with these as sort of spine colors, the disc colors. And I have 6 categories that I'm working with. So this is all of my books, and I am going to prop this camera up so you can organize with me, and we will get going. I'll play some beautiful classical music and some ambient music, and enjoy. So here are all of my Skinny Classic Happy Notes organized, and they're in 6 individual Happy Notes with the coordinating disc. And then this is all of the Skinny Classic filler paper that I'm destashing. So that's quite a lot. And I would never be able to use all of those. So I'm very happy with that. And hopefully we can do the same process with the classic Happy Note. Okay, so I literally had to go through and take all of them apart and go ahead and sort them because there was just no way my camera could process all of it. It would have taken forever. But it's the same process that I used for the Skinny Classics. And I've gone ahead and I've used the same category. So I have my like Miss Maker special paper, foil paper here. I have lined. I have dot grid, dot line. These are like special sheets, like project sheets. And then I have like monthly and daily here. So it'll match up perfectly to what I have for the same categories that I used for the Skinny Classic. And I've also got all of this stack that I get to destash. So it'll be perfect. All right, we are finally finished. Whew. It didn't take that long, but it was definitely a lot of work just getting everything in and out of the disc. But now I have some coordinating Happy Notes, and these have all my filler paper in them. So starting here, these are special sheets. So like they have a specific theme or they aren't just plain paper. And then here we have our lined dotted lined paper. And then these are daily and weekly pages. I have some monthly inserts in here too. Just like calendar type pages. And here we have Dotgrid. And then here we have lined paper. And then these are my Miss Maker collection. I wanted to keep it separate because it's a special edition. So these are my happy notes, and I really like this because when they're on expander and classic disc, I can really tell what I have enough of and then what I could stand to get more of. Like, I really thought I had more lined paper, and I actually don't. I have plenty of dot lined paper and plenty of half-size Dotgrid. So I think that what I will do is use this so I know what to actually go out and purchase and what I really can just set aside, because I have plenty of it. I have tons of disc to destash now too, or to repurpose. I need to go through and like sort them and get them separated, but it's a lot. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you were able to get some organizing done with me and you enjoyed all the music and the inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more organizing videos, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.